How are y'all doing today? I'm Jay Danberg, and we're going to do a quick walkthrough today on this new 2019 NauticStar 223 dual console. First thing you'll notice about a dual console from NauticStar deck boat is the huge beam all the way to the front, which creates enormous interior room. And then you add this sun filler cushion here, and you have an entire sun pad. Another nice feature of this NauticStar 223 DC is the snap-in woven carpet. It dries really fast, it's soft on the feet, and will keep your feet cool. We also have this Simrad. This is a Go 5 touchscreen. We've got a nice Infinity Bluetooth stereo. And then check out this huge wraparound back seat with table. Nice bimini top here. You have nice upgraded options such as freshwater sink and also ski tow bar. This NauticStar 223 DC is also powered by the Yamaha 150 4-stroke. The head is large enough to put a bathroom, and you can check out this pretty seafoam green hull color with a nice tan boot stripe. Really making this a great boat for the Gulf Coast. One of the best aggressively priced boats in its class, and the boat performs amazing. So come check us out here, Panama City Beach, MarineMax, and Thomas Drive.